Cinder Block, born Cindy Morgan, May 13, 1961, is an American punk rock vocalist and visual artist. Cinder sang for Fat Wreck Chords band Tilt from 1992 to 2001. She sang with all-girl band Fabulous Disaster for a short time. She would then go on to form the hardcore punk band Retching Red. Her lyrics typically focus on left-wing political themes and other irreverent topics. She was married to Jeffrey Bischoff, former Tilt guitarist, with whom she co-founded a licensing and merchandising store, Cinder Block Inc. Cinder makes silk screens and has been doing so for almost 2 decades. She also worked for Fabula magazine and Punk Rock Confidential. Cinder earned a BFA in theater from the University of Nebraska-Lincoln. Cinder Block at the Internet Movie Database. Tilt on MySpace. Retching Red on MySpace.